Oh my gosh.
Look at the pretty birdie. Look at the bird.
He's scared the dog.
Scared nothing. If he was scared of my dog, then the bird shouldn't have come up here. You should know better. This ain't no nesting place.
It's the same bird.
It is not the same bird. He's mad, boy. He's like, you better get a hold of this bird. Let me tell you something. And you know what's funny? The bird is just like sitting there going, I'm scared of you, and I can't even move. I'm scared. I'm scared, I tell you. This ain't even right. Is a bird even moving? Stop hanging on my leg. Oh, yeah.
Don't get so close. He can attack you, you know that?
No, he's alive. I saw him twitch. I just thought, I saw his eye blink.
Mom.
What? What's he gonna do? Poke me out of the eye?
Yeah, Mom.
Yeah, right. Will you stop whining? It's funny because this bird is not moving. I want to know if it's gonna do anything.
Yeah, Mom. Let's not find out.
Come here, Joe. Look. Get him. Get him, Joe. See what he does. Get him. Get him, puppy. Get him, puppy. Yeah, now you're trying to scare me, great. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. He's like, Mama, let me have him, Mama. Please. I promise I'll be a good boy. Look. Hey. See him. What happened, Joe? He says, I just want to get the bird. Just let me have the bird. If you give me the bird, I will be a very happy puppy. Do you remember the last time you caught a bird, you almost killed it, for God's sake? You sent it to its own demise, to the cats? You're not a good dog. A dog and bird can't be friends. Hey, that's like most relationships. Only you guys can't be friends because you'll eat them. Get him, Joe. Tell him. Say, get off my balcony if you can't come play. He's mad. I want to know how long you're going to sit there, though, and wait for him.